Welcome to our video series on how to build a dropshipping store with WooCommerce. Over the next 7 days, I'm going to walk you through each step of creating a profitable online store from scratch, covering everything from choosing the right product to setting up payments and connecting to marketplaces. Whether you're brand new to dropshipping or looking to take your skills further, this series will give you the tools you need to build and launch a store that's set for success. Today we're diving into the heart of your dropshipping journey, picking the perfect product. You might think it's just about finding something cool to sell, but it's so much more than that. By the end of this video, you know exactly what to look for, where to find it, and how to avoid those products that just won't sell. Let's kickstart your path to the ideal dropshipping product. When we shop, we're not just looking for products, we're looking for solutions. Think about it. When someone buys a coffee maker, they're not just buying a machine, they're buying an answer to tired mornings and the convenience of coffee at home. Every product from running shoes to blenders solves a specific problem or fulfills a need that makes life easier, healthier, or more productive. So whether you're shopping or building a business, keep this in mind. People don't buy products, they buy outcomes. Understanding this can change the way you see products and market them. Start looking at products as solutions to problems because that's what customers are really searching for. To start finding potential products to sell, let's first identify a problem that needs solving. With my experience of working remote and from home, I'm considering a focus on people who work from home. To do that, the first thing I did is I went to ChatGPT and I asked to ChatGPT what's the biggest problem people have working from home in their remote jobs. The biggest challenge are 6 potential challenges. So the first one was distractions and boundaries, work-life balance, isolation and loneliness. But what caught my attention was tech and workspace issues, mainly because I immediately considered a specific product that could help with that. Now, the next question I asked was, what are the most common tech and workspace issues? And there again, 2 issues that ChatGPT gave me caught my eye, and that was the lack of ergonomics, so basically how you are sitting at your desk and if it's good for your body and for your health, and also disorganized workspace. So I asked ChatGPT again, how can we solve a disorganized workspace and lack of ergonomics in once? And then, of course, it gave me, again, a couple of options to choose from. And there again, established a dedicated workspace caught my attention. And what could help with that? Well, of course, you get some products that might be potential worth selling. But there was one thing that caught my attention because I was thinking, for example, the most common product that can help solving this issue is a desk. But at first I thought, like, selling a desk, that's not sexy. I need something sexy. And that's where I immediately myself made the biggest mistake ever. Because a product not being sexy can have enormous opportunities. I can make it sexy. So if I position a desk as a sexy product to buy from my web shop, then probably I will get more sales than my current competitors. And that's when I decided to start selling desks, but not just like usual desks. I'm going to sell game desks, black desks with lights who are sexy and who I can make a story of. And I also asked my son, like, which desk do you like most? And of course, he pointed into the game desk with the colors and stuff. So based on what ChatGPT gave me, I've decided to, during this video series, to build my web shop around game desks. So that was done. Now you might think, okay, you have a product, perfect, you can start building your shop right away. But let me hold you right there, because I want to be certain that this product niche is also profitable. So for that, I need to search for a dropshipping supplier, and I need to see what my purchase price will be and what my potential selling price can be to see if I can make a nice margin. If you follow me already for quite some time, you know that I've also recorded a video on how to calculate the perfect margin. And I'm using this spreadsheet. So in this first video, I'm also going to use the spreadsheet. Now for the dropshipping suppliers, I had two choices. I could either go with Vita Excel or I could go with BigBuy, and I've checked both. But BigBuy as a dropshipping supplier got my attention more because it had various brands to sell, while Vita Excel only has the Vita Excel brand to sell. And also it seems like the BigBuy dropshipping supplier has less competitors on this particular product. So therefore, I decided to go with BigBuy and not with Vita Excel. Now that I have decided to go with BigBuy, the first thing I need to do is I need to check the actual game desks. So let me search for desk and let me see what kind of products are popping up. And you can see like really tiny desks up to like really advanced game desk. So desk gaming, you can already see that this is a gaming desk. And I really like the pictures where there's also a monitor on. So based on that, I can have more beautiful pictures on my web shop and people get like a nice feeling. Because remember, the issue we are solving is the lack of ergonomics, but also a disorganized workspace. So if people can see on our web shop like, whoa, this will organize my workspace. For example, with my headphones, I can hang below my desk, then we are solving two problems. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check this EAN code. I can see already that my purchase price is $147.28, and I'm going to search the EAN code in Google. And let me check here when I scroll through Google. Over here, it's sold for $179. Let me check here. $323, $319, $230. So really various prices. There's like not a real price. And for me, I'm planning to launch my web shop in the Netherlands and Belgium. For me, I also don't see like a Dutch seller for this particular product. It's .com, .ee, .com, .uk, .ee. So it seems like nobody is selling this particular product in the Netherlands, which is convenient. So, conclusion, the product is being sold. The cheapest price is 179 euros, but it's not on a Dutch web shop. And it's only sold internationally. So I think I can have a good chance in selling this product in my own country. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill in the spreadsheet. Let me grab the brand. It's Usaro, I think. And let me grab the type. It's the HS 8.5 black. And I also want the SKU, which is here. It's called reference. And then purchase excluding VHT is 147.28. Shipping cost, we can calculate that by add it to the cart. Then going to the cart. And then over here, say shipping to the Netherlands, and then use my own postcode. And then estimate costs. And then I can see it's 2022 and it will take 3 to 5 days. That's fine for a desk. So we normally think we should ship as fast as possible. But in this case, it's a very big product. So 3 to 5 shipping days, that's perfectly fine. So let me add those shipping costs into our spreadsheet. And then I have the commission also as an optional part. This will be applicable when we're also going to sell this product on a marketplace. We're not going to do that for now. By the end of this video series, I will show you how to do this. So if we have a sale price, let's say of 199 in the Netherlands, and the commission is not calculated, then we can see that we don't have a margin. That's unfortunate. And I think that's mainly caused by the shipping cost. So knowing that this product is not yet sold in the Netherlands, we can consider to make it a bit more expensive to have margin. So what we can also do is make it $249. And there you can see that we then have a margin. But I will add a note to it. International cheapest price is 179. Okay, then let's check another one. We have already put everything of this product in place, so we can skip it for now and let's go to a different desk for a different brand. Let me check. We have a white one here also. I really like that one, but this seems to be a different brand. So let's open this one in a new tab. And then again, copy the EAN code. The purchase price is 83.16. So paste the EAN code here. And then let's check. We can see Amazon BE 131. Here it's cheaper, but again, it's international, 114. So let me add this product again here, and it's Drift. And this one. And let me check. This is the type. And there we have 83.16 is the purchase price. And again, we need to check what the shipping cost will be. And then we need to delete the other product, of course, otherwise we'll have double shipping costs. Let's recalculate. And there we have cheaper shipping costs, which is beneficial. So let's do 12.8. And then let's say, what was the price again? 130. Yeah, let's say 129 maybe. And copy this one. This sucks. So we can literally not earn anything on this particular desk. Okay, now let's get another desk. And we're going to do this like a lot. Genesis. We're going to check like the margin a lot. I will only do it for 3 products in this video just to give you an insight of how it works, and of course the entire investigation of which products you want to sell, how many you should do on your own. I don't want to like waste too many time in this video on it, but I just want to give you a clear and honest view. Let me check again the EAN code, and they're 126, 104, and our purchase price is 71.38. 71.38 Genesis, and I already, let me check SKU and shipping costs. Let's add the shipping costs, and this one recalculates 14.26, perfect, 14.26, and then the price was 140, 126, let's say 139. Again, no margin. So I am going to continue with the investigation of the products. I am certain that I will find a handful of products. I only need 5 to 10, which do have a profit and which I can start to sell on my own web shop. You don't need a lot. You only need products that have a margin. And this is like the most cumbersome process before you can start. If there's no product that has no margin, then you should start all over again, because you need to have margin in order for you to have a profitable web shop. So continue this with at least 25 to 50 products. You should have at least 5 to 10 good products you can sell with a nice profit. If you have that, you can continue to the next step. And in the next step, we're going to talk about what the name of the webshop should be, what the domain name should be. We're going to register it, and we're going to purchase a hosting plan for it so that we can install WordPress and WooCommerce and start with building our webshop. But first things first, we need to see if we can make this profitable. So hopefully you've liked this first video. This is the first video of a video series of 7. So within 3.5 weeks, we will have this video series done and you will have your web shop and hopefully are making your first sales already. So if you don't want to miss out on the next videos, please subscribe, hit that like button, comment if you have any questions, and then I see you in the next video. Good luck.